omenda ma inyal magthieth magikoni okosebed ka ichwalo ne okumba magitiyo godo e thiedhruok. Kotelne kod jagoro margi Jacob Karura gikoni gisebedo kod midhiere chulo nengo mag thieth e ute thieth kaluwore gi gope mag okumba thieth magin go e kinde ma osara gito ing'ado dwe ka dwe. Jopuonj gi okoni gise ndiko ne duol mandiko jopuonj TSC ka ging'ur kata kamano pok owinji wachgi. Gichano bago ng'anyo kendo leo ne tich e thuolo ma juma achiel poni ok ochul gopego.
Makes us strong, solidarity forever, solidarity.
In 7 days' time, if the AON Minet and the Makel will not have changed their way so that now these hospitals can continue working, then we have no option than to call our members, and then we are all going to go on strike. We are saying, and we must state it, that if a teacher and the dependents fall sick at the same time, especially where we have cases of food poisoning, we expect all the teachers to be treated. We expect all the family members who are covered by that card to be treated.
Wakati rais alisema mambo ya bill, finance bill ya 2024-2025, that inaweza kuaffect walimu wasiajiriwe, tungeomba serikali wasahau hiyo. Walimu waajiriwe, wanangonja, wanafunza watoto wetu, na kama itaendelea basi tutajumuika kuita walimu wote ili tuandamane katika hospitali zetu.
Kama hospitali hazitakuwa zimelipwa, walimu wetu wapate mandawa, then sisi kama walimu tutajitokeza, tuende mpaka kwa hizo ofisi za insurance tuwafurushe, kwa sababu ile kazi wanafaa kufanya ni kama wafanyi, na walimu wetu